I'm Lisa from Active Domestics, and today I'm going to talk about what clients usually want done in their cleaning time. Now, I've actually had a cleaning business, Active Domestics, in which over 13 years, so we're in our 14th year. And I started this business from one client, and now we've got quite a few clients and are doing pretty well. Now, I've actually had clients call me when they've wanted to trial our cleaning services, tell me that, they've actually had a cleaner, but their particular cleaner who's very nice, but they just sort of spend too much time fluffing around, folding, washing, or tidying up or dusting, and don't actually spend the right amount of time cleaning bathrooms and vacuuming and things like that. So, in my experience of having a cleaning agency, I can tell you that the majority of people want a really thorough job of their bathrooms. So, they want their bathrooms cleaned really, really well in all the corners, highly detailed, make it really good so that when they're cleaning it quickly in between their cleans, they just need to give it a quick wipe over and it still looks really good. The other thing that they want done properly and thoroughly is the vacuuming. Now, that means vacuuming under beds. That means picking light things up as you go. And it means just really doing a really good job, going into detail, using the different brushes on your vacuum cleaner, and actually just the other thing people don't often do is really vacuuming over carpets or rugs that are in high traffic areas. It's not good enough to just give it a quick once over. You've got to go over it multiple times to really get up that ingrained dirt. And you've got to look at the skirting boards and windowsills and things like that. To me, that's all part of vacuuming because you can change the brush and quickly do it. So they're the things that people want done cleaning. They don't want you to change the furniture around. They don't want you to spend an hour wiping or dusting or, just doing things. They want you to do hardcore cleaning, vacuuming, so floors, not just vacuuming, of course, mopping, um, doing a really good job of the floors and a really good job of the bathrooms. So when you're thinking about how you're going to approach a new job, don't do any extras except for those main things to begin with because you may actually run out of time sooner than what you think. And so you might not have time for any other extras. Do those basic things first. My advice to you is that you always vacuum the bathroom before you clean it because that will save time later. And just don't start off by getting distracted with anything else. Get those basics done really well, and then if you have time, you can look to do other jobs. This is, of course, unless the client has specifically requested that other things be done. Like sometimes a client might say, don't worry about this particular bathroom because it never gets used. Well, you of course follow your client's directions, but if they don't give you directions, they want their bathrooms done well and their floors done well. And consider too when you're mopping to make sure you use the right floor product for the surface that you're using. If you're mopping an area that's got lots of wooden floors, then obviously you're going to have to change to a different cleaning product in your bucket when you mop the tiled floors in the bathrooms, because if you use wooden floor cleaner on tiled floors in the bathroom, it will leave a slippery surface, and you don't want that. So take your time, do the job properly, and really do it to a high amount of detail, because after all, you're the professional cleaner and you should know how to do a really good job. And if you don't know, there's plenty of information out there either through YouTube or anything like that. So thanks for watching. If you'd like to join me on Instagram, well, I actually just pretty much have a bit of fun on Instagram. Personally, do share some cleaning stuff, but my YouTube channel is definitely where I share most of my cleaning things. And I also have a Active Domestics is on Facebook as well. So, but yeah, mostly sort of Instagram and blacked out for a sec. Anyway, so thank you for watching and have a great week. Bye.